तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट का कंप्लीट बेर एक्ट करने जा रहे हैं। पहले आज इस वाले सेशन में सिर्फ इंडेक्स को रीड करेंगे ताकि इंडेक्स को बार बार रिवाइज कर सकें, सेक्शन नंबर याद हो जाए। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट 1872। सेक्शन 1 शॉर्ट टाइटल एक्सटेंड कमेंसमेंट एंड सेविंग। सेक्शन 2 इंटरप्रिटेशन क्लॉज। चैप्टर 1 of communication acceptance and revocation of proposals. Section 3 communication acceptance and revocation of proposals. Section 4 communication when complete. Section 5 revocation of proposals and acceptances. Section 6 revocation how made. Section 7 acceptance must be absolute. Section 8 acceptance by performing conditions or receiving consideration. Section 9 promises express and implied. फिर चैप्टर 2 ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स voidable contracts and void agreements. Section 10 what agreements are contracts. Section 11 who are competent to contract. Section 12 what is a sound mind for purposes of contracting. Section 13 consent defined. Section 14 free consent defined. Section 15 coercion defined. Section 16 undue influence defined. Section 17 fraud defined. Section 18 misrepresentation defined. Section 19 voidability of agreements without free consent. Section 19A power to set aside contract induced by undue influence. Section 20 agreement void where both parties are under mistake as to matter of fact. Section 21 effect of mistakes as to law. Section 22 contract caused by mistake of one party as to matter of fact. Section 23 what consideration and objects are lawful and what not. फिर void agreements की बात हो रही है. Section 24 agreement void if consideration and objects unlawful in part. Section 25 agreement without consideration void unless it is in writing and registered or is a promise to compensate for something done or is a promise to pay debt barred by limitation law. Section 26 agreement in restraint of marriage void. Section 27 agreement in restraint of trade void. Saving of agreement not to carry on business of which goodwill is sold. Section 28 agreement in restraint of legal proceeding void. Saving of contract to refer to arbitration dispute that may arise. Saving of contract to refer questions that have already arisen. Saving of guarantee agreement of a bank or financial institution. Section 29 agreements void for uncertainty. Section 30 agreements by way of wager void except in favor of certain prices for horse racing. Section 294A of the Indian Penal Code not affected. Chapter 3 contingent contracts. Section 31 contingent contract defined. Section 32 enforcement of contracts contingent on an event happening. Section 33 enforcement of contracts contingent on an event not happening. Section 34 when event on which contract is contingent to be deemed impossible if it is the future conduct of a living person. Section 35 when contracts become void which are contingent on happening of a specified event within fixed time. When contracts may be enforced which are contingent on specified event not happening within fixed time. Section 36 agreement contingent on impossible events void. Chapter 4 of performance of contracts. Contracts which must be performed. Section 37 obligation of parties to contracts. Section 38 effect of refusal to accept promise of performance. Section 39 effect of refusal of party to perform promise wholly. By whom contracts must be performed. Section 40 person by whom promise is to be performed. Section 41 effect of accepting promise from third person. ये आगे सारे नहीं पढ़ेंगे, जो इंपॉर्टेंट है वही पढ़ेंगे. Section 42 devolution of joint liabilities. Section 43, any one of joint promisor may be compelled to perform. Each promisor may compel contribution, sharing of loss by default in contribution. Section 44, effect of release of one joint promisor. Section 45, devolution of joint rights. Section 46, time of performance of promise when no application is to be made and no time is specified. Section 47, time and place for performance of promise where time is specified and no application to be made. Section 56, agreement to do impossible act. Contract to do an act afterwards becoming impossible or unlawful. Compensation for loss through non-performance of act known to be impossible or unlawful. Section 62, effect of novation, rescission and alteration of contract. Section 63, promisee may dispense with or remit performance of promise. Claim for necessaries supplied to person incapable of contracting or on his account. 68. 70. Obligation of person enjoying benefit of non-gratuitous act. 71. Responsibility of finder of goods. 72. Liability of person to whom money is paid or thing delivered by mistake or under coercion. 73. Compensation for loss or damage caused by breach of contract. Compensation for failure to discharge obligation resembling those created by contract. 74. Compensation for breach of contract where penalty stipulated for. 75. Party rightfully rescinding the contract entitled to compensation. Section 124. Contract of indemnity defined. Section 125. Right of indemnity holder when sued. Section 126. Contract of guarantee, surety, principal, debtor and creditor. Section 127. Consideration for guarantee. Section 128. Surety's liability. Section 129. Continuing guarantee. Section 130. Revocation of continuing guarantee. Section 131. Revocation of continuing guarantee by surety's death. Section 148, bailment, bailer and bailee defined. Section 149, delivery to bailee how made. Section 150, bailers' duty to disclose faults in goods bailed. Section 151, care to be taken by bailee. Section 152, bailee when not liable for loss, etc. of thing bailed. Section 172, pledge, pawner and pawnee defined. Section 173, pawnee's right of retainer. Section 182, agent and principal defined. Section 183, who may employ agent. Section 184, who may be an agent. Section 185, consideration not necessary. Section 186, agent's authority may be expressed or implied. Section 187, definition of express and implied authority. Section 188, extent of agent's authority. Section 189, agent's authority in an emergency. Section 190, whence agent cannot delegate. Section 191, sub-agent defined. ये हो गया.